Hey everyone, Rodev here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an invisible part, so let's get right into it. So here is my part. I've used the scale tool to change its size. It was originally, a normal small little part, but I made it bigger. So now we're going to make this into an invisible wall, which is the use case that most of you are using this for. So let's get right into it. So when you click the part, you need to go to the properties window, and if you don't see this, go to view, and make sure you have Explorer and properties enabled on the left side here. From there, you want to go highlight the part by clicking on it right here, make sure it's blue, and then scroll down in properties until you see transparency. And when you click this, you'll get the slider. Usually we don't use the slider, we just type here. So I'm going to put 1, and that is fully invisible. 0.5 is halfway through. 0.25, quarter. 0.75, 3/4. Pretty self-explanatory from that point on, and 1 is completely transparent. If you want it to be opaque, go ahead and make it 0. But that is how you make it. That's how you make an invisible part in Roblox Studio. Anyways, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video if it did help you, and other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. It's Rodev. Peace.
I can see you wanna vibe with me. Just say you wanna vibe with me. Feeling like I won a lottery.